Dear students, these days we are discussing subject verb concord, subject verb agreement, and you have written 10 rules. And we already know and we have already discussed that a singular subject takes a singular verb and a plural subject takes a plural verb. But some subjects seem plural but meaning is singular. Some subjects seem plural but meaning is singular, then these subjects take a singular verb. For example, news seems plural, mathematics seems plural, electronics, measles, but meaning is singular, so verb will be singular. And some subjects seem singular. There is no addition of s, but plural in meaning. They take plural verb. Some subjects seem singular, but plural in meaning. They take plural verb. For example, cattle, no s. Public, no s. People, no s. But meaning is what? Plural. So these subjects, these nouns take plural verbs. But some subjects seem plural and meaning is also plural. They take plural verbs. For example, pants, socks, scissors, spectacles. Okay. And now rule number 11. Rule number 11. When a noun denotes a certain time, distance, quantity, and amount, the verb is singular. Easy. 5 hours dash spent uselessly. Option was where. But the rule is that when the plural subject denotes a certain time, distance, quantity and amount, the verb is singular. So 5 hours plural subject, but this denotes a certain time. How much time? 5 hours. So verb will be singular. So what will be the right option? Was. Take another example regarding distance. 50 miles, not a long distance. Option is R. Certain distance, 50 miles, it seems that the subject is plural. Yes, miles is plural. But it shows, it denotes certain distance. So verb will be singular. So what will the right option is? Now rule number 12. When a subject is a relative pronoun, as who, which, that, what, etc. The verb agrees with that noun for which relative pronoun is used. Now, example, Rohan is one of the brilliant boys who taken admission in class 11 in this school. Option has, have. Now read the rule. When a subject is a relative pronoun, what is relative pronoun? Who. So when a subject is a relative pronoun, what is relative pronoun? Who, which, that, what. The verb, now we have to supply verb. The verb agrees with that noun, so that noun it stands for Rohan, for which relative pronoun is used. This relative pronoun is used for this noun Rohan, and Rohan is singular. So verb will be what? Verb will be is. So Rohan singular subject, verb is singular, but who is used for boys. It means many boys have taken admission and Rohan is one of them. Okay, Rohan singular subject, so verb is singular, and who stands for this noun, and this noun is what? Plural. When a subject is relative pronoun as who, which, that, what, etc. The verb agrees with that noun. Yes, this noun for which relative pronoun is used. So this relative pronoun is used for this noun, and this noun is plural. So the verb will be what? Plural. Okay, student. Now, the following nouns are singular and they take singular verb. Okay, easy. First, write the nouns. Scenery. Okay. Information. Luggage. furniture, money, traffic, poetry, news, offspring, machinery, etc. Offspring means children, sons and daughters. Okay, so these nouns are always used as singular. So if the subject is singular, the verb will be also singular. Okay, for example, all the scenery of Kashmir dash captivating. Option is A. So there are many scenery, but you know that these nouns, scenery, information, luggage, furniture, money, traffic, poetry, news, offspring, machinery always take a singular verb. So here the verb will be singular. Okay, student. Now rule number 14. Take the screenshot. But here I am giving you one more cue, and that cue is, if any subject is singular or plural and these subjects are followed by as, then as is always followed by singular verb. I mean to say that after as only singular verb will be used. Note, as is always followed by singular verb. Example, the chief points are as. The option follow or follows. Points, plural subjects, verb is also plural, but these plural subjects are followed by as. So and as always takes singular verb. लगता है ये पॉइंट्स के लिए एज आया है, पॉइंट्स प्लूरल है तो वह प्लूरल हो जाएगा, बट एज इज ऑलवेज फॉलोड बाय सिंगुलर वर्ब. सो द आंसर विल बी सुटेबल वर्ब विल बी फॉलोज. ओके, व्हाई? बिकॉज एज इज ऑलवेज फॉलोड बाय सिंगुलर वर्ब. पॉइंट्स प्लूरल है, वह प्लूरल हो गया, लेकिन एज के बाद हमेशा सिंगुलर वर्ब भी होता है. ये थोड़ा सा ओड लगता है, बट दिस इज द रूल. Now rule number 14. If any adjective is preceded by the, then this denotes plural subject. For example, reach, Amir, and reach is preceded by the reach, it means Amir low. So the reach, the poor, the blind, the handicapped, the sick, the old, the young, etc. जब भी हम लिखें etc के पहले कोमा, etc के बाद फुल स्टॉप. टेक plural verbs because adjective is preceded by the, and this denotes what? Plural subject, and plural subjects take plural verbs. Example: the rich, proud, and selfish. Option is R. This adjective is preceded by the, so now it becomes plural subject, so verb will be plural. Okay students, now last rule. A number of a majority of the majority of etc take plural verb. A number of, a majority of, the majority of. ठीक है, लेकिन इसमें क्या है, a number of plural verb लेगा लेकिन the number of singular verb लेता है. See the difference. A number of takes plural verb, but the number of takes a singular verb. A number of plural verb, the number of singular verb. But here, a majority of plural verb, the majority of plural verb. Example: a number of boys playing in the ground. Option is A. Very obviously, the verb will be plural because a number of takes plural verb. Right option A. All the rules, I have summarized many rules into 15, and in this part, fourth part, I have written the rules from 11 to 15, and part 1, part 2, part 3, I have written rules from 1 to 10, and I have summarized many rules from 1 to 15. I think you have understood these rules, and now you will not do any type of mistake if you have studied these rules seriously. Okay, thank you. Take the screenshot. And homework will be memorize rules from 11 to 15. Rest 1 to 10 you will find in the rest 3 parts of subject, verb, concord. Okay, first part, second part and third part. Lots of thanks to you.